If you've ever wanted a clean professional profile picture without having to pay for an expensive photo shoot, this video is for you. All you need is your selfie taken at any spot, even if it's inside a bush, very dark, no light, absolutely nothing beautiful about the selfie. Just get that selfie. The selfie is the raw material that you need. Once you have that selfie, you are good to go. Want me to show you how I turn this to this? Then watch this video till the end. Hi guys, so I've taken a lot of professional photo shoots and I know how expensive it can be. From makeup to hair to outfits to paying the photographer. And these days there's no cheap photographer. What am I even saying? Is there anything that is cheap? Makeup is from 30,000. Hair and is so expensive. Everything is really expensive. And even if you're a guy, you need to buy something, a nice outfit. So it's really expensive. And you want to look professional because yes, it's part of branding. You want to get clients and they can't just take you seriously with that selfie on your page. This is where AI comes in. With AI, you can get yourself a beautiful LinkedIn worthy photo shoot without having to step your foot into any studio. I know photographers do not like this video at all, but I'm sorry guys. Let's help other people who cannot afford it. Your profile picture says a lot about you. You cannot negotiate yourself out of that one. So this is how you can do it. If you like to take selfies, this one is for you. Just go out, go somewhere, anywhere at all, and take a beautiful selfie. Once you've taken that selfie, make sure that your face is showing very well in the selfie. Don't show us one side of your face. Your full facial features, we can see your eyes, your nose, your mouth, if possible, your teeth. Then you are good to go. The next app that you need is a free app that everybody has on his or her phone, or maybe you don't have it yet, you need to download it. Go to your app store or your play store and download ChatGPT. Sign up on it and then go in there. You see that place where you see a plus sign, click on the plus sign, then upload the selfie. Don't send it just yet. Hold on a bit. You're going to tell ChatGPT exactly what to do with the selfie. Now I'm going to put the exact prompt that I used in the description, but let me just explain it to you. You're going to ask ChatGPT to kindly use your exact facial features in this selfie to produce a LinkedIn worthy professional profile picture for you. And after this first sentence, you now tell it exactly what you want. If you're not wearing a wig in the profile picture, maybe you're using an all back or you don't like the wig you're wearing, you can tell it to change the wig and tell it the exact kind of wig you want to wear. I want to wear a bouncy 16 inches wig, black in color. Right, so give me a bouncy wig or give me a straight Brazilian hair, give me a bone straight, give me a coily wig, give me this tiwa wig. Explain the exact kind of wig that you want, the color, the length, the size, and ask ChatGPT to give it to you. If you want it to add light minimal makeup to it, to add light minimal makeup, you can tell it the color of the eyeliner or the eyeshadow you want, color of lipstick you want, every single thing. Right? Once you're done with the prompts, don't worry if you do not get the prompts, just check the description and copy it from there. You just click on send and then you wait for a few minutes because yes, a lot of people are trying to generate images at the same time. Just hold on, wait for a few minutes. You can turn on the notification so that when it's done, they will notify you. And once it's ready, they're going to notify you that your picture is ready for you to download. All you need to do now is click on the arrow beside it and download your picture and you are good to go. Now, if you see this picture and you don't like it and you feel like, no, it doesn't look like you can tell ChatGPT to regenerate it, right? Tell it, oh, you missed, this is not my nose. My nose is not this flat. It's not this pointed. So tell it exactly what to do and to keep regenerating it until you get exactly what you want. And also you can give it more than one selfie so that you can get different angles of your face so that it can exactly get something that looks exactly like you. Another thing you can ask it to do is the background. So probably if I took the selfie here with my bed, I can say, no, take away this frame, take away the curtain, put me in an office, a corporate office setting with a chair and a table and people, maybe colleagues at the background, whatever you want to be at the background, just tell ChatGPT to do that for you. Even if you want to change your dress, probably you're just wearing a t-shirt or a polo and you say, oh, please give me a corporate dress or a suit and a tie, a three-piece suit. Give me this in red, in green, in purple, whatever color. ChatGPT will change your outfit for you and give you the exact outfits that you need for that shoot. So even your birthday shoots can come in this place. Your professional pictures can come in. So now you don't need to break the bank because trust me, you can spend hundreds of thousands trying to get a proper photo shoot. But with this AI right now, you don't need to spend that money. You can put that money now into marketing. You can pay me that money to give you, good results with adverts. So you don't need to spend a lot of money on photo shoots. Photo shoots are very important for your brand, but then you can boycott that and use that money for something else that will give you more money in return. So go try it out and let me know in the comment section how it works for you. Try it out, change your profile picture of your YouTube channel, change everything that you need to change, and let me know how it went. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. I'm right there to answer you. If there's any other thing you want to do with AI, you've seen people doing some tricks like entering inside car and all those other tricks, and you want me to teach you how to do those tricks, let me know in the comment section. I need to know that you're interested so that I can, teach you everything for free. This channel is where you learn everything: finance, business, marketing, AI, that would help you live a highly profitable life all around. So we have more amazing videos coming up, and you're going to miss them if you don't subscribe. One, and turn on the notification bell. Click on that bell so that you get notified when we drop new videos, so you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos on this channel. So if you watch to the end, thank you so much. You are the real MVP, and it's because of you I'm showing up here as often as possible. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.